So today we've got a brewing skills course by Brewlab. We've got 10 brewers here from different breweries across South Wales, and they are all teaching the different technical and different bits about brewing in general.
Well, today's really exciting. This is the first time that we've actually put some brewery training in place on behalf of the drinks cluster. So we've been working hard now with Brewlab in Sunderland, with Food Skills Cymru and with the National Skills Academy to develop some training for our brewers, which is what they said they needed from the cluster meetings that we've been having. And today gives us the opportunity really to set the benchmark for where we need to get Welsh brewers. So today's level 2 training, and it means we can start to get consistent high quality product produced in Wales from the Welsh breweries.
Today I'm with the Food Skills Cymru and the drinks cluster, and what we're looking to do is kind of upskill kind of brewery operators and owners to actually give them more quality and consistency in their products. There is actually chemistry and biochemistry and sort of microbiology that goes on behind that. If we give them the skills of understanding the kind of process, then that will kind of add to their quality and also give them consistency, because that's what their customers want. They want to be able to drink a beer and for it to be the same next time if they like it. They don't want it to deviate. That kind of puts people off and it makes them go for something that's more consistent. That's kind of where the big companies are, you know, kind of all their kind of business is kind of focused on consistency and high quality. So hopefully we'll be able to instill that, a little bit of that today into the kind of craft brewers who attend the course.
It's various things that obviously they've spoken about, and things that tend to be overlooked in the industry. And I think with brewing is a lot of attention to detail, and this is what these guys are going into today. They really come in, you know, bring in the science of brewing in, you know, to the classroom, you know.
I think it's important to upskill the Welsh workforce, particularly the brewers, so that as we extend Welsh brands outside of Wales into the rest of the UK and we start to export, that we're delivering that consistent product quality that people want. So what we don't want is the good work we're doing as a cluster to get damaged then by having poor product in the marketplace.
Food Skills Cymru can support food and drink processing and manufacturing businesses in Wales through supporting many different training courses that the business might want to attend. So the first process would be contacting Food Skills Cymru, and then through that one of the team will come out and complete a skills diagnostic which helps us and the business identify any training needs that you may have, and after that we'll go through the application process and then find the relevant training course for the business. So any training needs that your business may have, please get in touch with the Food Skills Cymru team and hopefully we'll be able to support your business.